Often we may lose our way. Take courage and always remember, love isn't just for a day. All that we have and all that we offer comes from a heart full of righteous and free. Take what we bring down and give what we need. All that in His
Kalian pasti dapat tenang.